In the jungle, big and grand, walks an elephant through the land. His trunk so long and strong, he hums a tune, a gentle song.
He splashes water, cool and sweet, making puddles for his feet.
Birds all sing and fly around, happy echoes fill the ground. He helps his friends along the way, bringing smiles to every day. He jumps and twirls with gentle care, chasing butterflies through the air. He shares his fruits with friends so small, showing kindness to them all. By the river, cool and wide, he watches fish swim side by side. He rolls and tumbles on the ground, making laughter all around. With his trunk, he moves the way, helping friends throughout the day. Rain has passed, a rainbow bright, colors shining in the light. He plays a tune with joyful sound, all the animals dance around. He swings his ears and moves with cheer, bringing happiness to all near. He saves the birds with gentle care, showing kindness everywhere. He dances lightly, full of glee, bringing joy to all we see. With a crown upon his head, he shows the way where all are led. A friend to children, big and kind, he leaves a smile for all to find.